Hello everybody and welcome to this Flutter video tutorial. In this video we will talk about the theming. So as you see, I create a fresh app, and what it has a main function and my app, a stateful widget. Inside its builder method it returns material apps, and in its home it has scaffold and also app bar, which has a text as its title, theming, and it is also center. In the body there is nothing. Let's bring something in the body of our app and then bring some changes to the theming of our app. That how we can bring changes to the theming. So first I'm gonna delete this container, and instead of this container I'm gonna place a list view here. As previous, we know we have list view dot builder. If you are new and you don't know about the list view, you can visit our list view videos to know more about the list view. So list view dot builder, it takes a builder, and inside builder we can post the context and index, and what it will return a list tile for now. And also list view dot builder has another property called item count. How many items do you want to be in the list? So I'm gonna give it 10 items. Inside its tile, list tile, I'm gonna give it title as a text. Hey, this is list view. Now let's save it. Now as you can see in the screen, we have our list view with 10 items. If you want more item, you can give it the number you want. I'm gonna give it 20. So now as you can see that we have a list tile of 20. So let's bring some other things also in our list, like it has leading. In the leading, an icons dot call. In the trailing, I'm gonna give it also icons dot checkbox rounded or checkbox check circle. Let's save it. And now we can see that we have a list view which has leading icon at the beginning and also a trailing icon. So let's bring changes to the theming. If you don't apply any themes to our app, by default it takes the default themes of our project. So inside material app, it has a property called theme, which it takes a class of theme data. Inside this theme data, it has a lots of things, like we have the brightness, color primary, a lot more. So we will do some of them. So let's start with the brightness by typing brightness, what we can give it. So as we know, we have dark themes and also light themes. If you want to apply a dark themes to your app, you can choose the dark brightness, and if you want to give the brightness light or light theme, then you can use the light brightness. So let's save it. Now you can see that we have light brightness themes to on our app. So let's make it dark and save it. Now you can see that we have changed the themes from light brightness to the dark. In dark mode, we can see that the list tiles, text, and the icons which is applied inside, they are changed their color to white, and the background is a gray color, and it looks good. As we know, most of the people prefer the dark themes. Okay, let's give it light and save it, and now we have the same as previous. What else we can give it to our themes? We can change our primary color. We can give it a colors dot any color you want. For example, I'm going to give it amber color, a comma here, and let's save it. And now you can see that we have an amber color applied on our app. You also can change the accent color. For now, the accent color is the default color. When we scroll down our list, we can see a light blue accent color there. If you want to change the accent color, so you can change you can give it accent color, colors dot accent amber, give it a comma here, and let's save it. And now if I scroll it down, you can see the accent color has changed to amber accent. In the theme, you not only change the colors of your app, and you can change even the text style also. So there is another property for the text. We can bring changes to the text. There is text theme property, which takes text theme. What we can apply, we can give it a title or text body text 2. Let's give it a body text 2. It takes text style. We can give it a font size, for example 20, and also we can give it a font width dot bold, and let's give a comma here, and let's save it. So now you cannot see the changes, because when we have our text theme, we can use it inside our list style, and we can apply to any text we have. Now we have the text view. Inside the text view or the text widget, we can apply style property, which takes a theme dot off. It takes a context. After the context, we put a dot here. We will access to our themes, what themes we are going to use, the text themes. Inside the text theme, we give a dot here. We can access to the body text 2, which we created inside the theme. So let's choose it and let's save it. And now we can see that the changes applied to our list view tile, which we can see here. So let's change it to dark themes. From here, dark, and let's save it. Now we can see that we have a dark theme applied to our application. Even we can change this app or by changing the colors, and also we can change the style of the text. How we can change, or how we can bring changes to the icons. I want to have icon with red color. So how we can use that? After the icons, we can apply a color to that by using the color property, and also the theme dot off context and dot. So I want to use the accent color as we applied here. If you want, you can change this accent color also to another color. So let's save it. So now, as you can see that we have changed the color of icons also, it looks better. And now the same, we can change the icons, the trailing icons also, by going here and put a comma and give a color property. Inside the color, we can use the theme dot off context and dot the accent amber color, and let's save it. And now we have our accent color applied to our icons. So as well, you can define your own themes in a separate widget. And so the good things is here that when we are bringing changes to our themes, it will change all the colors of our app. For example, I'm going to change this amber color to same color, and I'm going to save it. So let's see, the icon colors will change. Now the icon colors, the trailing and the leading both are changed to the cyan color. So there's no need of this that we should go every widget and change its color. I'm gonna change it amber accent again. This is about the themes. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like it, you can thumbs up, and see you guys on the next one.